Okay, first thing I want to show you about this Vevor cart is that it feels every bit as stout and sturdy as this tool cart over here. And this tool cart's got square bar instead of angle iron for legs, which is probably why that feels so sturdy. So why does this feel so much more sturdy than most of my other carts? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. Look at the thickness of this angle iron. This top is steel, not stainless steel, full 5/8 holes for fixtures. And during welding, we use a lot of magnets. So stainless steel just wouldn't work because the magnets are not going to hold to the stainless steel like it will this high-grade steel. Magnetic tray. See what I mean about stainless? Can't put the magnetic tray on it. Can't use any kind of magnets on it. The Vevor table. As far as measurements, coming up off the floor, I'm 6 foot and this height feels really comfortable to me. It's perfectly at 36 inches, which is where I like to put all my tables and workbenches and stuff. I like them 36 inches because I've got back problems and I'm 6 foot high. So you can see right here, I can work right here in comfort. We have 36 inches this way and 18 inches across the side. About 10 3/8 from end to end. So the working length of this slot is going to be more like 9.5 inches. This slot right here, about 7 inches. The working length would be more like 6.5, 6 1/4. And these are 5/8 holes. I don't remember if I said earlier 3/8 or 5/8, but they're 5/8. Yeah, 5/8. There's a junk tray down here. And if you don't want it to get filled up with slag, could probably mod it by putting an extra tray underneath here to catch all the droppings. Maybe put it right along here. That way you can keep stuff down there without it getting covered up with slag. This handle's really stout too. If I get it jumped up with a whole bunch of weight, I have no doubt I'll still be able to just pick this up, move it around, jerk it around. I don't know why I would ever do that, but pushing it back and forth, rolling across the floor, certainly going to be a lot less work on the handle than that. And if I could pick it up and sling it around with the handle, regular use is not going to harm it. Well, in case I forgot to mention, all 4 of the wheels have the locks on them. So they both lock and unlock with foot action, no bending over. I'm not going to put 1,200 pounds on this to test if that capacity is true, but I do weigh 200 pounds. And I wouldn't do this in my carts or tables. Well, I might do that on my stainless table, but it doesn't have wheels or anything on it, and it's way wider than 18 inches. This is the only thing that's like 18 inches and has wheels on it that I feel comfortable sitting up here swinging around, and it's not going to go anywhere. So, color me impressed. Good job, Vevor. And look, Shopcat finally showed up when all the work was done. What are you doing, Shopcat? Where were you at? How come you weren't helping? I don't think we're going to get a straight answer out of it. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.